Now let's move to the new XF, where I can show you what our interior changes mean in a saloon environment. You'll see lots of the same philosophy, of course, and this really lifts the XF cabin, which again is all new. This is now a true Jaguar sports saloon. Everything we've described in terms of the quality and materials and their use around the cabin can be felt here just like in F-Pace. The lower saloon driving position naturally delivers a different type of sportiness and comfort. There are other distinctive ways in which we've increased the luxury of the XF cabin. For example, the doors now integrate a wraparound grab handle, which adds to the sense of visual drama. This elegant touch point, again shared with F-Pace, proudly communicates a feeling of solidity and quality. As an interior designer, these new cars gave us a unique opportunity to bring to life the philosophy that we've developed for our next generation of Jaguars and see how we can apply it to our current generation of cars.
At the core of our technology story today is the latest step in the rollout of our next generation infotainment system, Pivi Pro. First introduced to Jaguar with our latest I-Pace in June, Pivi Pro now comes to new F-Pace and XF, delivered through the brand new high-definition 11.4-inch central touchscreen. Pivi Pro is smarter, faster, always connected and future-proof, thanks to software over-the-air updates. It comes as standard on most specifications, and as you've heard from my design colleagues, it now has an even better user interface. All of this is enabled by the introduction of our new electrical architecture, which allows for faster responses and crisp, high-definition graphics. So, first of all, let me give you a quick reminder of Pivi Pro. It's inspired by the latest mobile devices. When developing this system, we were obsessed with how to make things simpler, reducing menu steps to minimize distraction. The new, customizable and powerful home screen is a huge part of this. It's designed with a flat menu structure and simple user journeys. We've optimized the home screen design around three things: navigation, phone, and media. Most commonly accessed features are right in front of you, and 90% are within 2 taps from the home screen. Pivi Pro is augmented with a fully configurable 12.3-inch virtual instrument cluster and a full-color heads-up display. You can customize these displays with layouts of your choice, so you can prioritize the information you want to see, including directions and nearby charging or fuel stations. It's another way we are reducing the load on the driver. Pivi Pro is ready to go as soon as you are. With a dedicated power source, your navigation is ready in the time it takes you to go from opening the door to sitting in the driver's seat. Pivi Pro has the latest dual SIM technology. 2 embedded modems enable the system to carry out multiple data functions at the same time, such as streaming media and downloading software updates. And it comes with a complimentary 4G data plan for all of your apps and streaming. There's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Baidu Life as standard, and embedded apps such as Spotify. Keeping digital devices topped up is easier thanks to 15-watt wireless device charging with Signal Booster. You simply place your smartphone on the charging pad to quickly recharge. There's also an external antenna to improve the smartphone signal when being used inside the car. You can Bluetooth up to 2 phones at the same time, so you never have to worry about switching profiles. And you can get online with up to 8 of your devices, using the vehicle's 4G Wi-Fi hotspot. Being ready is also about being up to date. You'll always be able to access the latest version of Pivi Pro thanks to software over-the-air updates. We create a digital twin of your vehicle in the cloud to know when updates are available to you. You can then schedule updates at a time that is convenient to you, delivered for free. But Pivi Pro is more than infotainment. It's also your central interface for all driver assistance features. For example, the 3D surround camera system shows on the central touchscreen a 360-degree view around the vehicle for parking and low-speed maneuvering. This fuses together images from 4 onboard cameras to provide a seamless, real-time view which you can pan around to spot any hazards. On a journey, your navigation learns your routine and regular routes to refine its suggestions. It's smart enough that the voice guidance knows to keep quiet when you're travelling on roads you drive regularly. And it displays a traffic summary and ETA for your most likely destination without you having to set one. When you're travelling for work, Pivi Pro can support you to work from the car. It can read your Google and Microsoft Outlook calendar to show your work diary or connect you to conference calls, hands-free of course. Pivi Pro also learns your personal preferences over time. It will automatically activate the heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, or suggest your favourite media sources based on what you usually select. Everything is designed to be smart and non-intrusive. But we haven't stopped here. New vehicle technologies and features also give us the chance to introduce new Pivi Pro functionality. Take, for example, our plug-in hybrid technology on F-Pace. Pivi Pro now has PHEV specific features. It shows you where public charging stations are, if they're available, and what they cost to use. It will also display your charge status. And it enables you to choose your optimal driving mode: hybrid mode, EV mode, and save mode. The reason we can do all of this with Pivi Pro is our latest generation electrical vehicle architecture. We've moved rapidly through the past decade, from a world of mechanical engineering to software and data management. The big change with our new electrical architecture is to centralize computing in the vehicle to 3 domain controllers, including a dedicated infotainment controller. That makes for faster and more efficient data management. In fact, it doubles the data processing capacity of our vehicles. This architecture also enables us to introduce new cabin technologies. The first of these improves interior air quality through nanotechnology, which removes allergens and unpleasant odours. The system now features PM2.5 filtration, which captures ultrafine particles to improve occupant health and well-being. In our new Jaguar F-Pace and XF, you can control your cabin air technologies via your Pivi Pro touchscreen by selecting the Purify function. That means less worry about the quality of the air inside the cabin. The other cabin technology I wanted to highlight is active road noise cancellation. This works like high-end headphones. It transmits low-frequency sounds through the audio system to cancel unwanted road noise, further enhancing the inherently quiet cabin that we engineered into F-Pace and XF from day one. This helps to lessen driver fatigue and allow you to always arrive feeling refreshed. Our new electrical architecture's capability also makes your key fob even smarter. With smart settings, your car learns your preferred steering wheel and seat position, climate preferences, or media choice, and it will adjust them automatically as you get in. Finally, you will be familiar with our activity key. This wearable, waterproof and shockproof band allows you to lock or unlock the vehicle from your wrist. Our second generation key is now available. This allows you to leave the house without your key fob at all, smarter and more convenient. As you have seen, the latest technologies are central to making the